We're here today at the Line event for An-Noor 2024. Organized by the Muslim Choral Ensemble, the evening promises to showcase performances on ancient Islamic pieces, recitations and quotes, weaving together a collection of renditions that resonate deeply with the soul of Islamic spirituality. So stay tuned to see how this event unfolds. My name is Rebecca and you are watching Pulse. Here with me is the founder and executive director of the Muslim Choral Ensemble, Hadia. So Hadia, talking about An-Noor 2024, could you tell us how your journey has been since its inception in 2017? And what does it feel like to be here today? And what's the connection with An-Noor and the MCE?
Okay, so MCE has been the parent body which started off in 2017, and the journey has been very interesting, facing the challenges, the ups and downs. We've had a lot of support from family and friends at the start, and An-Noor is also special because it's my spiritual and our spiritual journey, and which we like to share with all the other communities and probably the audiences who have been really, with us right throughout the past 8 years.
Here with me is Soundari David, the choral director of Soul Sounds. So Soundari, as a choral director yourself, what do you have to say about the performance that you saw here at An-Noor tonight?
Tonight, for me, it was very enlightening. It brought in a sense of calm, sense of peace, and most importantly, from a very choral, technical aspect. I think the blend was really nice, and that emanated the sense of peace. Since I heard them last, I think they've come a long way, and hats off to Hadia for conceptualizing this and bringing it to life and getting us who are used to the more traditional choral ensemble and the more Western classical works to something different, something new, and something that really brought in a sense of enlightenment to me.
Here with me is Imran Saibo. So Imran, you've been here since the inception of An-Noor, and you've been here since 2017. You've been watching these performances since 2017. What do you have to say about tonight?
Well, I find that all the nights that are done by An-Noor and by this particular Muslim choral ensemble, and I see a lot of dedication. I see a beautifully blended voices, a lot of harmony. And I just wish I can take them out to do some of the other more commercial things that I do, but they wouldn't agree to that. But anyway, there you have it.
Joining me now is Dr. Leonie Solomons, who's also here at An-Noor 2024 as a guest. So Dr. Solomons, talking about the event, what do you have to say about the voices you heard and the performances that were put out tonight?
Very good. I mean, I liked the first performance, was excellent. I liked the last performance. The dervish dancer made a huge difference. And I remember the Iranian drummer when I saw them last year. Very good, excellent. And lovely to see the Sri Lankans doing so well, which is why I came. Yeah, so I'm very happy with it.